Hello. Welcome to Perl's Basic Cooking Show. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry about that. That was Visco Perl. Don't know how she got here. Anyway, hi, welcome to Perl's Basic Cooking Show. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make Nesquik. Enjoy!
You will need Nesquik. Obviously, you will need milk, preferably soy milk, and a cup, a scrunchie, and a straw, preferably metal.
Now that you've got all your ingredients, you're going to want to chuck the scrunchie away and go for a plastic straw. This is actually soon. Anyway, you will need your Nesquik, and you will need to just attempt to open it with a spoon. You will need a spoon. Forgot how hard Nesquik was. Now, if you've never used Nesquik before, it's going to look like this. Punch it open. After you've punched it open, you should be free to just pour it in your cup. About this much will do. So like a quarter of a cup full. Okay, now pour your milk in, specifically soy milk. Save the cows, like, I don't know. Being Visco is hard. Visco Perl just shows up at any time she wants to.
Heck yeah, I do.
Visco Perl, just get out of my life.
Rude.
Sorry. By the way, I forgot to tell you, you need to stir it with your spoon. Eat the spoon. Eat the spoon. Eat the spoon. Suck the stuff off of the spoon. And there you are. Now you have a drink. Cheers. Oh, that's horrible. And that's what happens when you drink from plastic straws.